Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. So let's review today's price action. We had an interesting day today in the market. All-time highs across the board. Looking at the SPY today, I signified it last week that we're gonna stay in this range. We kind of broke out of that range today, tested that resistance, and we kept with some volume on the rally. Interesting stuff. Um we're at an interesting point in the market right now. Like, are we gonna continue to still grind higher? I mean, yeah, but look at this. Just doesn't stop. I would just be very cautious though. But if you look over here back in 2016, look at this steady trend up. So can we create this same pattern over here? Because here's the thing we gotta know. Look at this pattern right here. Back in 14, 13, we had a rally, volatility, balance, broke out, retest, and then rally. Okay, and what's happening now? Same thing, rally, sideways balance, volatility. Volatility is a lot higher now because there's a lot more money in the market. So that means more opinions, more transactions, more people long, more people short. Just straight out foundation of market dynamics. So what do we see? Same pattern, sideways, breakout, retest, and we're just rallying to the highs. Being led by what? Let me see Facebook today. Facebook, how we close what? Actually, it wasn't Facebook. Tesla, that's what it was. Tesla today, we just huge bullish day. Closed up 4%. Look at that, kind of above, kind of going to bull territory again. Yeah, those are some shares I had. But if we look at some what was I saying? Back to the SPY. That's what it was. Or let's look at the Qs, because the Qs are like super strong right now. Super strong. We had that volatility. People bought the dip. Now we're trading above that monthly VWAP, staying kind of above that daily VWAP. It's kind of getting tougher though. So I would start to focus out of tech right now. We'll go into some S&P. Let's see some sectors. See the sectors that are moving right now. Spider, ETS, SP, SPDR, spiders. Okay. All right. Let's see what's moving right now. Let me see. Let's bring this down so I can show you guys. But yeah, how's the Dow doing? Dow created a new time. Everything just rallied towards the highs today. Looking at the Dow, I guess money's coming back into value. So let's look at the Dow over here. Okay, let's look at this chart right here. Nice little bullish engulfing. We see some nice little wick buy wicks. Super bullish. I'm bullish, honestly. I'm very bullish right now. I'm not gonna lie. There's nothing telling me. There's no news right now telling me that we're gonna, you had the COVID variant. Fuck that. Excuse my language, but that's all priced in. This drop that we saw right here, this could have been earnings, Oh, we have financials. Let's see, what do we have today? Financials up 1%. Could we be moving back into financials? Let's see how XLF is doing. XLF. Okay, oh, it looks like we had, okay, I like financials right now. Kind of had this little drop, balance, kind of going towards the highs. Look at that on the daily chart over here. Drop, balance, kind of on some volume, pushing to the highs, moving back into bullish territory. What else is rally today? Let's see, 5 day. What's leading? Real estate, nah, tech, utilities, consumer discretionary. I mean, that's being led by Amazon right now, but let's check it out. Let's see how we're doing. Okay. Energy right now is getting a beating right now. Is it time to buy energy? Let me remove these little studies clear drawing set. No, I would not touch energy right now. We had this huge rally. We're still in a downtrend. Could be a resistance, so I would not touch energy actually. Let's see how healthcare, materials, consumer services. Let's see consumer services. Okay, nice little respect of my EMA. Kind of. Whoa, this is super bullish. Okay, so what's in this right here? We got Disney, Alphabet, Netflix, T-Mobile. Interesting. All right, so I mean, overall, guys, I'm pretty bullish right now. There's nothing telling me that we're gonna go down. You know, we're gonna have our volatile moves, but other than that, I'm pretty bullish. It says stock futures misleading. Buying opportunity. Let's see what the reactions are. Inflation expected hitting new highs. Inflation. Okay, so we got some inflation news come on the headlines, so we should be cautious about that. Disney, GM, what else? Yeah, there's nothing really besides the variant, that COVID variant. There's nothing holding us down right now. And you might ask yourself, how come the S&P is, the indices are up and everything else is like still having a hard time? Well, it's rotating, you know. It doesn't just all go into tech. I mean, it does. I mean, kind of. But you gotta understand, these big funds they're not buying individual stocks. They're buying your XLF. They're buying your, tech ETF. Like, they're not buying some, don't get me wrong, but their main business is to buy these ETF, which all these stocks inside go in, and that's what moves it. So yeah, that's my outlook for the market. Be cautious on longs, but what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, as always, this is just my opinion. Please do not invest. Please invest at your own risk and time frame. Have a great day.